Like new, this Tahoe comes with a 5.3-liter V8 flex fuel engine, 17-inch wheels, 4-wheel drive, full power, XM radio, Bose, Sun, DVD, rear heat with air, third-row seating, and with the GM certification you get 3 months of XM radio and the safety of OnStar for free, 100,000-mile 5-year limited powertrain warranty, 12,000-mile 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty, 117-point inspection, and much more. Call today to schedule a test drive.